Good morning. In 7.2, they have given us x inversely varies as root y. This is inverse proportion. Okay, inverse variation. So, x inversely varies as root y. When x is equal to 15, y is equal to 9, we have to find out constant k and we have to find out equation of variation. Okay, now see x inversely varies as root y. So, for second step, this symbol is that of variation alpha. For second step, I will use equal sign. That time, I know for inverse variation that multiplication is constant. Okay, so may I write x into root y is equal to k, and without fail I will write here that this k is constant. Okay, what I will write? K is constant. You can write here also this step. Okay. And now we will substitute the values. Okay. So, remember in inverse variation, multiplication is constant. Okay. So, now we will substitute the value. If x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 9, let us substitute the value in the equation. So, in place of x, I will write 15 into root in square root sign 9 is equal to k. So now see 15 into root 9 will come as 3. So 15 into 3 will equal to k. That means, may I write here k is equal to 15 3s will come as 45. So, in this way, I got constant of variation as 45. Okay. Now, how can I write equation of variation? So, for equation of variation, consider this second step. Here, just substitute the value of k, which is constant, then it is your equation of variation. That means x into root y. Okay. When there is no sign in between, I should assume it as multiplication. X into root y is equal to, substitute the value of k, which is 45. Okay. So, x into root y is equal to 45 is the equation of variation. Equation, okay, of variation. This is what is your answer. Let us revise once. Without fail, you will make a bracket to the answer. Okay, so let us revise once. This I have shown that x is inversely proportion or x inversely varies with root y or square root y. For second step, I will not do this sign of variation which is called as alpha in Greek language. Okay, so for next step, I will make equal sign. There I should remember that in inverse variation, multiplication is constant. So I brought this root y which is division to this left hand side. So division became multiplication. So x into root y is equal to k. Here I wrote k is constant. Means here I am telling them that in inverse variation, always multiplication is constant. Then I substitute the value of x also, y also, and in this way I got k constant as 45. Then I wrote equation of variation. For that I use this second step. I wrote this second step as it is. Just I substitute their value of k which is constant. Means I wrote this second step as it is. Okay, means x into root y is equal to, just I substituted value of k which is 45. This is what is the equation of variation. Okay.